Hi.
Hello! So welcome to our YouTube channel. So this will be our first time doing present unboxing on our YouTube channel, right?
Normally we do Facebook Live. Yeah, and this time around is YouTube. Oh, I'm very nervous because I was not being informed.
So today we are doing birthday present unboxing because it's my birthday! Yay! So I need to wear this. Like must fully utilize this one. You know what is this? Yeah.
Okay.
You know what is this?
What's this?
This is birthday girl. Yay! I'm a birthday girl.
Okay, let's start unboxing.
Okay, so today we are going to unboxing presents from
This from who?
Gina.
Gina.
Yeah, she mailed me a packet of birthday present. A huge parcel from US.
How did she know it's your birthday?
Because everyone know it's in my birthday lah.
Okay.
Yes, so let's open this up.
Alright. Let me see what's this. So, can I just tear this part?
Okay, just be careful.
Yeah, because I don't know whether if I use scissors to cut, I scared. I don't know.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Not it.
I think tear a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Wow.
I haven't saw it. I'm going to feel it. Wow, what's this? This is like party
Yeah.
plates. Wow!
Wow. Okay, the camera cannot see.
Wow! Oh, these are party gifts. Oh my god, I opened it up too late.
See lah. Hey, what is this? You see the keychain.
Oh my god, this is the Disney official fan club keychain.
Wow.
This is the D23 keychain.
I only
my
know
god.
D24 durian. No lah.
And then this is
Okay.
like the balloon.
Wow.
See?
So cool.
D23
What's so
balloon.
special about this D23?
It's the official Disney fan club.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay. Oh.
It's okay you don't know because you don't know a lot of things. Okay, so
What this? Wow, this is a balloon.
oh, this is those foil balloons.
Wow.
Oh my god, I will use this next year.
Wow. Oh,
And then you see they wrote here, the true original
Oh my goodness.
Mickey Mouse 90th birthday. Oh my god.
Wow.
Special edition.
Oh, this is so
Oh
cool.
my god.
See lah. Now then open. Oh, this is super cool.
Okay, these are some like
This.
family membership card.
Mhm.
Yes, can join their member.
Oh,
Oh my god, what is this?
Wow.
Tattoo or decal? Oh, tattoo.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my
So this for
god.
me lah. Thank you.
Huh? No, you don't waste it. Oh my god, these are some
Wow.
trivia question.
Wow.
And then sticker. Can I paste this on my Mini Cooper?
Eh?
But they are not going to be waterproof, right?
Oh.
These are stickers,
Oh yeah.
but not waterproof, right? I want to put the steamboat one. This one. On my Mini Cooper.
Which one?
This one.
What steamboat?
This is not steamboat Willy,
Oh. I thought the steamboat
You too Chinese already. Wow.
I like this Fantasia.
I like this. Proud member of D23. Oh my god.
Then you need to ask Gina. Is it waterproof?
Oh, she wrote me a message.
Wow.
Okay, so Gina wrote me a message. It's Mickey's 90th birthday. I received a birthday kit to throw a party for him with my friends. Since my friends all live far away, I'm mailing the party to you. I have printed up some trivia card for games. Sorry, run out of ink. It's okay. And have enclosed food ideas. There are other wonderful ideas on d23.com/party. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Love, Gina.
Wow, so nice. of
So
her.
sweet. Yeah. Oh my god.
So what is this?
Wow, there are party banners also eh. You see, she even included the toy for me. She's so thoughtful. She's scared I don't have toy, which
Wow,
I really don't have
nice.
toy.
Wow.
MICKEYMOUSE. Who wants to have a D23 party with me? You? You want to have a party with me?
I buy a lot of D24 durian first.
Must make into Mickey Mouse shape.
Wow.
Yeah. She printed all this.
This is the recipe.
Yeah,
Right?
recipe. Yeah. Oh my god.
So cool.
Yeah, so nice. She's so sweet. Oh my god. How am I going to use it? Like, it's too precious already. Can I like make a
Wow.
duplicate copy first? These are party plates. Yay! Thanks, Gina!
Thanks, Gina. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow.
So next up, our next present will be Sai and Kelly. So one for your birthday, one for my birthday.
Oh, is it one for me?
Yeah.
How come you didn't tell me? I thought both are for you.
No. One for me and one for
Oh,
you.
now you didn't tell me.
That's why I told you that I want to open present with you, and then you keep delaying. Like September, I asked you to open, you say you got no
open
time.
already.
Then now it's like October already.
Okay, never mind. Now we open.
Okay. Whoa. Huh? Seriously, Sa and Kelly like, okay, you win ya. Hey, there's a card eh. There's a card. There's a card inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, there's a card inside.
There's a card for you, right?
Hey,
That's why I said it's one for you and one for me. Hit the road. Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow. What about yours?
Just being with a good friend warms you from within.
Yours is so, oh my god. Too long, don't read. Yeah, we'll read later. Oh my
Okay,
god. So
Oh.
like Kellyn wrote this, and then Sa wrote this, and then her boyfriend Jim, and then Kelly's boyfriend James wrote this for us.
Oh, yeah.
So sweet.
Mine too. There's Kellyn, James, Jim, and Teresa.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, we're gonna read it later.
Okay, come, let's open up the present
Yeah.
first.
Oh my god, I think I'll cry reading them. Let's see the
Hey,
present.
I also have one of these.
Yeah. Not sure what is it.
You need scissors. Wow, you need scissors. One.
I think it's some kind of like tumbler, or like probably some couple tumbler. Couple mug or couple tumbler, that kind of thing.
This.
Oh, the stick more tips. What's this?
Hey, what is this?
What's this? Cup.
Tire cup. Oh.
Oh, no wonder
interesting.
my card is called Hit the Road. I think because like two Mini Cooper, that's so they give like tire
Mini
cup.
Cooper team.
Yeah. They bought a present based on my
based on the theme of
Birthday
your
party.
party. Yes. Wow. Oh, oi, nice, yeah.
nice.
Woohoo!
Wow. Oh my god. Mine is pink color. Like pink purple.
You want to change your rim, right?
This one cannot change my Mini Cooper rim lah. With this one, I don't know how long it will take to reach like overseas or what.
Ah.
Oh. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Okay, super nice, so cute.
Yeah. This one how many inch ah? the tire must be run flat tire
2 inch 2 inch
2 inch.
2 inch
Yeah,
tire.
after that this tire must be run flat one. Yeah. Must be PS4.
Michelin PS4 PS4S.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kelly, Teresa, Jim, and James. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Next up, it's my present from my good friend Hui Zhi.
Wow.
Do you know what is this?
I see this logo. Some more is like original thing, you know? I saw some
Yeah.
logo. Oh, this, open up. It's mine.
Mini.
Oh, what's this? So special.
This is a blanket.
Blanket.
Yeah,
Can you open up?
yeah, can.
You open one side, open one side. Wow. Why the blanket so special?
This blanket, it's like travel one, so you can like use it while you're traveling. But it's quite
Oh,
heavy.
heavy, yeah.
Yeah, that's why. It's heavy, but it's like so nice. You see, this is the Mini Cooper. What's that? Comb design.
Is it can use for camping or not? Oh, there's a part number also. Mini blanket. What signage? Wait,
Signet.
signet. Okay, so
Yeah.
oh, it's original one, oh.
Of course lah. Hui Zhi only give original.
So camping we
okay?
bring this ah.
Cannot.
No, I cannot. Then you don't use. Then
Cannot. Camping is too dirty. Cannot use this.
this one is for camping use.
No, this one different. This one only can use on Mini Cooper. Like because my car is clean. Like camping is dirty. Cannot use. Yeah. This one will give me warm. Yay! Thank you, Hui Zhi. My favorite blanket. Okay, so my last present is this.
What is?
This is the hand cream, rose hand cream from the Body Shop. So Serene gave this to me because
Oh.
she know that last year she gave me a set of this and then I fall in love with it. So she bought me another mini set. Yeah. And then the last one is a card from Jesslyn.
Alright.
Yay! So thank you, Jesslyn, for the card. It's so nice.
Wow.
Ta-da! Her calligraphy is getting better and better.
Yay.
So yeah, I'll go and read the cards and all that. Oh my god, the message is very sweet eh. So this one is by Teresa. So I just cut it short. She said, "You are a respectable person and I'm glad to have a sis like you."
Wow.
I'm just reading the important part only. Important. Then yours eh?
For what? Happy belated birthday. Then you will arrange your finger after place to explore. You can have a great.
So James said that he's looking forward to more Joes.
Oh,
Joe means to like invite them out to play. Oh, then after that, Kelly is so sweet eh. Thank you for everything all these years and bringing so much happiness, joy and laughter, fun and fond memories that will be etched in my mind forever. So sweet eh. Then yours got sweet one or not?
God, also sweet. Also.
James 他去早生贵子。
It's you, not me.
Oh, Kevin is so nice. Thank you for taking such a good care of Jolene 姐姐. He can tell she is 幸福. Oh my god. Oh my god, so nice. Then after that, Teresa say, I'm super grateful that you and Jill are part of our life. 哇，几岁笑哦。Okay, then after that, Jess message. I also do a
Quick summarize.
quick summarize. So I'm glad to see that you had an amazing birthday celebration with the people who love and care for you. Take care. Oh, so nice. I'm so glad that my birthday like so many people celebrate with me. Yeah. Like you! Thank you. Okay, so that will be the end of today's video. And then I see when I'll be uploading my birthday celebration video.
Oh yeah, when?
No, that one I don't need to. The video is with Teresa.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't gotten the video yet.
Okay.
I only got like a few the behind parts, the Malacca parts. Yeah, but then the in front one didn't get. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm not sure how many minutes. I think like
16.
60 minutes. I'll just upload everything. Because YouTube you can just upload everything.
Okay.
So this everything uncut. We are just going up on YouTube. Okay, so thank you for watching and
See you in our next video.
yes, see you in our next video. And then remember to give us thumbs up. And then don't need to like and share. Very spicy. Like ask people to like and share. Don't need like, don't need share. But if you want, then go ahead lah. Nobody stop you.
Look out, check out for Jolene's latest vlog coming up soon. The Songkran trip.
Why you want to like that?
Alright.